Hello guys, this is a Windows 10 Pro video tutorial. Here you see the desktop. This is Windows 10. I show you Windows 10 operating system. This is a most popular operating system in the world. Here you see all his application or software. I installed Firefox, Google Chrome, so many things. Windows 10 operating system is very popular. It is very easy to use. Let's go start. This is start menu. Here you open any software. When you open any software, this is preliminary stage. That is power button or shutdown, restart, sleep command. You click here. This is PC taken restart. Okay, I also show you control panel. Control panel, all application you set up, everything you can handle this program, this operation control panel. You can view it many category. Okay, uninstall program. When you install a software, all software installed in C drive. This is a software installed drive. When you uninstall software, first you go control panel and program and feathers. Then I uninstall this software. Please see how can I delete or uninstall software from my PC. Already deleted or uninstalled from my PC, from my computer. Here nothing show the software. Option is here. You can open any window. When you open any window, it is here you again see everything. This is a very easy or you any kind of source what file you need, and just type IC calculator command calculator. Here you see uh, just I write cal or calculator is coming show in my window here. Anybody can use easily. Here Windows accessories. Here you can take Notepad, Internet Explorer, remote desktop connection. Next time I know about this Windows administrator tool. Here you Windows system here Windows run command. You can also control panel open by run command. Just write app with .cpl. Okay, then you can directly go control panel installation software installation page. By default many kind of software or application installed in Windows 10 operating system. I already show you this program how can you use and this is on-screen keyboard. When you cannot use keyboard, you can use this command. Now you can type any kind of word by this screen on-screen keyboard. Okay, now I share with you folder program. You can open new folder by this right button or your mouse, then you create folder. You can rename this. Then you command enter. You can copy or copy or cut from this. Copy means here it is here, and I also it is another file. I keep it. Then copy here. This show cut. If you cut from here, then it is not show here. Cut, and I keep it design. No, others. Okay, others. Then it is not here. Okay, you can also open a Microsoft Office Excel from here, or you can also open start menu and go to M category. Okay, Microsoft Office 2013 I use. Then you open Microsoft Word. Then click blank document, open Microsoft Word. Now you type you save it directly from here. Browse or computer. Okay, this PC that computer is just I use this name. Okay, card, close, open. I open it. The quick one telephone someone else. This is easy. Windows 10 is very easy. No afraid to use this Windows 10.